Jai Hind and welcome to the grand group discussion of SAMANTROY Academy. This group discussion is for Airforce White Red Medical Branch Rally to be conducted in Barakpur. Barakpur रे जो Airforce White Red Rally अच्छी तापाई हमारा गोटे grand group discussion चलीची. Around 100 students are participating. They are divided into 5 groups. 5टा ग्रुप रे सेमानू डिवाइड करके सेमाने दे आर पार्टिसिपेटिंग इन ग्रुप डिस्कशन एंड सेल्फ इंट्रोडक्शन व्हिच इज एडाप्टेबिलिटी 2. आउ आज सकाळे हमर रनिंग टेस्ट भी होइथिला. मोर देन 50 स्टूडेंट्स they qualified in the physical test which is 1.6 kilometer running within 7 minutes, 20 squats, 10 push up and 10 sit up. So अधिकांश पिला क्लियर करूचंती, फिजिकल क्लियर करूचंती and I am confident that they will do well in written test. So वर्तमान तांगर GD चलची. More than 100 students they are participating in the group discussion. So I hope this session will boost their confidence and ए जो session रा experience अच्छी सेमानंगर confidence boost करिवो और definitely they will qualify in group discussion and history पुणी repeat हबो. बरमपुर रैली रे एयरफोर्स रैली रे हमर मोर देन 100 सिलेक्शन थिला और ए रैली रे मध्ये मु आशा करूची रेकॉर्ड मेंटेन हबो. देयर विल बी मोर देन 100 सिलेक्शंस. थैंक यू वेरी मच.
Good morning friends. Coming to the topic social media. We are in the modern era where social media is used by each and every person, whether it is a teenager or a old age people or an adult person. So it has its own advantages and disadvantages. Coming to the advantages, social media is widely used by everyone. It provides a platform where person can showcase their skills or can learn skills from different fields. Social media also connects people by reducing the distance between them and through which we can communicate with each other. We can also know about the places where we have neither visited or have been gone before. Coming to the disadvantages, social media is widely used by teenagers, where teenagers are destroying their useful times by spending more in social media rather than studying. So it's harm their concentration, also makes them suffer from mental stresses or in other diseases. Social media, while using social media, privacy has also become a major concern, because while using social media we have fear that we can lose our privacy. That has not yet been cleared by us. So as social media has its own disadvantages and advantages, so it depends on the person who is using it. So we should be smart enough to use the social media wisely. Thank you.
Good morning each and everyone present over here. I am going to say about something about social media. In nowadays we are living in a contemporary world of social media where we can use the social media for education purposes, and yes, and some individuals and students can gain education from the social media. The social media have many advantages as well as some disadvantages, like the old men and the old men can use the social media for their time pass, but in some cases students can use their social media for their career purpose to learn something from the social media. And social media also have some disadvantages, like if we use the social media for a longer period of time, it get addicted, and in long run it causes some health problems like headache, and we can focus in our goal and studies, and due to which our life gets spoiled.
My name is Dhivar Visay. Today's topic is India Space Mission. India has started its space mission in 1975 by launching Airforce. The second satellite was Bhaskar. After many years of hard work, in 2003, under the leadership of Atal Bihari Vajpayee, India has signed the Chandrayaan-1 mission and had launched in 2008, which has given the history to India by discovering the water on South Pole. After a few years, in 2013, India has signed the Mangalyaan-1 and launched in 2013, and it took 1 year to reach the Mars and had make the history with fast attempt. It astonished all the other countries, and after in 2017 India has launched 108 satellite at a time and and had set the record. In 2019, India has launched the Chandrayaan 2 but failed. But after 2023, on the working on the failure basis mission, he succeeded the Chandrayaan 3 and reached the South Pole 23 August 2023. The current mission are Aditya L1, which is organized to read about the sun, and the current mission, the upcoming mission is Gaganyaan 3.